In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Planet Zoo Premium Edition on your PC. If you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones, plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses. And nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. After that, go to the search bar and we need to locate this game first on Steam. So after that we will proceed to another website. Go to the Steam website and search for Planet Zoo Premium Edition and you will find it over here. If you scroll a little bit down, then you will find the price of this game on Steam. It is €84.49. That is quite expensive for a game, but we got a workaround. If you go to the video description, there will be a link which says find game here, and click on that. Once you did that, you will be redirected to this website. Now we will search for the same game, Planet Zoo Premium Edition. Search for it. Once you have done that, select games on the left side, and after that we sort by price lowest first. Now scroll a little bit down and you will find different options. Make sure this text is marked green, because that means this game can be activated in your country. So search for the cheapest option, and as you can see we already found one, which is just €23.99 instead of €84.49. And that is how you save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. So what we need to do is click on this one. After that you can purchase this game for €24.70, and once you have purchased it, then you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps, including a activation key for the Steam platform to download this game and install it on your PC. After that you are able to play this game. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!